What's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. Let's get into today's trade recap. I'm very happy, and y'all probably wondering why do I have a smiley face and I lost $8,000. It's because I was down $22,000 at one point, and if you do the math, I made about $14,000 back. So that's how I think of it. I could have did it tomorrow, but I did it today. So scratch out the loss. I'm just thinking about what I made back. So it kind of feels like a green day because I made back $14,000. Nice grind back. Like I said, I was down $22,000. Now I'm down only $8,000, and that's nothing. Like on my scale, $0 to $10,000, I'm not worried about that. I can make that back easily. That's why I make on a regular. 10 to 20,000, okay, you know, I don't want to lose that shit, but I can make it back 1 to 3 days. 20 to 50, fuck. You know what I'm saying? But I can make it back. And 50 and more is like, damn, I fucked up. So that's my scale. So anything under 10,000, I mean, it's nothing. Okay, I'm on the regular, I make that. So that's why I'm so glad I finished down $8,000, because in one trade tomorrow, I made that back already. And then on top of that, I made, y'all know I made $20,000 yesterday. So it didn't wipe out my gains I made from yesterday. That kind of pisses me off, like having a great day and then the next day just wiping it out, especially if you have a great day. So that's why I'm glad also, you know. So overall this month alone, I'm up, you know. So I was thinking about shutting it down after 22,000, but I was seeing plays, and you know, I traded and made back most of it. So a nice day can be a red day, you know. It really wasn't no bullshit going on. It was really my fault. As y'all can see, I'm gonna start off with FEAC. Before I do that, make sure you like, comment what you did today or whatever you want to say. Ask a question or whatever. If you got any questions, and subscribe to my channel to enter the $50 giveaway sponsored by me. I will draw the winner every Friday, and y'all know I do it live like I did last time. Y'all will see who wins in the comment. So that's all you have to do: like, comment, whatever, and subscribe. You got a shot to win $50. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start out with FEC. This was the main one I lost on, and it was my fault. I was just talking about those grinders. I did get grinded, but the thing is, I didn't follow my own rules as far as my lines. Y'all cannot see my lines. My lines is on my Thinkorswim. My lines was sitting right here. And I told the family normally early in the morning, like 9:30 to like 10, if it goes down to my support lines, it really doesn't crack. It don't crack. And I shorted it anyways because I was just so stuck on this big downtrend. I thought it, you know, after this bounce right here, I thought it was gonna keep fading. But my lines were sitting right here, and I should have did that. What I should have did was go long right there, right on my lines, and base my risk off my lines if it cracked. That's what I should have did. A new strategy is in the works. It's a long strategy. I've been seeing this pattern a lot, and I need to do more researching on my own, like, new strategy as far as looking at these patterns. And that would have been a nice long. So instead of me fighting it, so I'm gonna come up with that new strategy. It's a long strategy, and I lost $10,000, almost $11,000. My first trade on, I made good money on it. I made about what, 5,000. But then with this chase right here, as you can see, it don't look like a chase from right here, but it now it does after you see all this. It look like a chase. That's what cost me a lot of money. Next is SPAQ. This stock is so choppy. Look at this stock. I mean, it's everywhere. Up, down, up, down, up, down. I ended up getting squeezed, and then it came all the way back down. That's crazy. I was pissed off at that. I hate when stocks go against me, and then I get out. I got out down at the top, and then it crashed. Like, come on, man. But anyways, lost $5,747. I think I should never lost that in the first place, but I did. No biggie. Let's go to TSRI. I made some money on it and I lost some money on it. I was trading it pre-market. I tried to get out and take profit right here when I was short at 580. Try to cover all my shares at 551, but I keep forgetting because sometimes F1 trade screws me up sometimes as far as me knowing that I can get in the stock anytime I want to. But I can't do that with my Centerpoint account because I'm actually trading like real shares. And it's going to the markets. F1 trade, you don't influence the markets whatsoever. You just trading. It's like a video game with CFDs. But I try to get all out, man. It only fit me like 1,000 shares. I had like 10,000 shares. Y'all, I mean, kind of too big. It squeezed me out. Yes, I called this spike. I caused a little spike. Shout out to the Indian Dream. He shorted right after I covered. And I told him he should thank me because I got him a good position. And he made some money on it going short after I covered. And then at the open, it spiked up. I shorted it, made some money, and I finished down $1,317. So, I mean, I was down like $3,000 on it, and I made something back on that at the open right there. So I made some money back. Go. This is where I was trying to make my money back. But I got squeezed just a little bit out of half of my position, and then I ended up covering the rest of it down here. Made some money, but I lost up here too because I got out half my position. And then right here at $9, it was a nice little fade. You know, covering at 884 for a gain. Okay, I'm back, and after looking at this, like this manipulated looking pattern right here, that just sideways. I mean, come on. It's so manipulated. After this crash, I thought it was over with, but it wasn't. It came back up like usual, like any other manipulated stock would do. But I'm glad I got out down at the bottom. Still lost $993, but I did make money back. And this is how I made my $14,000 back. Even though it shows red, I was down more on these stocks. So VSRT. I missed this freaking run up, man. I missed this run up. I was in my F1 trade. I made $224. I only had 400 shares, man. I was up here. What I should have did was trade in my Centerpoint account. I could have did like 20,000 shares. And man, I would have had a green day today. I mean, this was a great opportunity, but I was in with the wrong broker. It's all good. But with Centerpoint, I got in right here at 586, added at 573, and then covering at the bottom right here at 559, making $1,853. And last but not least was Court. Court bailed me out. Court bailed me out. I almost took a loss on Court. Pretty good entry right here. You know, it's making lower highs. It looked like it was on the backside right here. I figured it would crash like this. That's why I held it. It came down, spiked up, man. I almost took that loss. I almost got out. I did almost get out. But it was a fake out breakout. And once that happened, the stock just got crushed. I ended up covering down here at 1998. My entry was 22.10. So So like $2. So I made like $2. So I made like $2 a share. That's a great trade right there. Only had 3,500 shares. Should did like 10,000 shares, but I had 3,500 shares, and then down here got in at 1935 and the cover down here at 19 for $8,441 gain. And then TSRI that I traded in my F1 trade account. I'm not sure which one it is in my F1 trade account. I don't know what I did, but I ended up losing $92. I mean, it's not biggie. And that's it for this video. Go to www.dcprt.com if you want to join the family. If you want to enter that contest, all you have to do is like, comment, anything what you did today, any questions, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to enter the $50 giveaway. That's it. And like I said, I feel great for today. Let's get it for tomorrow. I'm ready to smash tomorrow. And I'm gone. Peace.